Here's a couple more questions that I get over and over on my skim coating videos. The first one is, why are you re-skimming a wall when you just did repairs? Why not just prime and paint or retexture the repair and blend it into the existing? Well, when you skim coat a wall corner to corner, there's no variation in texture. It all blends perfectly. So if you got a textured wall that you're doing repairs on, you might want to go ahead and just skim coat it corner to corner and then retexture the whole wall. Yes, you can blend texture into the existing texture, but a lot of times, depending on the lighting situation and the sheen of paint you're using, you can see the variation of how the paint absorbed differently into the area that was previously painted and the repair. The second question is, can I skim coat over a painted wall or ceiling? The answer is yes. Unless you have a gloss paint, then you're going to want to scuff that up with 100 grit sandpaper and a sanding pole, or just prime it. So just something to think about. I hope that helps. Be sure to subscribe for more drywall tips. Thanks for watching.